In this video, you'll learn how to change your eBay name quickly. This guide will help you navigate the necessary steps to update your username efficiently and effectively. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are logged in, locate and click on the account option, which is typically found in the menu at the top of the page. After selecting account, find the section labeled personal information. This section contains various settings related to your account. Within the personal information section, look for the field titled username or display name. Before proceeding, verify your eligibility for a name change, as eBay has frequency limits on how often you can update your username. It is also advisable to prepare your new name in advance, ensuring that it adheres to eBay's naming rules to avoid issues during the change. Next, click on the edit option located next to the username field. This action will allow you to type your new name exactly as you wish it to appear. Pay careful attention to the spelling and formatting of your new username. Once you are satisfied with your entry, click the Save button to apply the changes. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your username has been successfully updated. After saving your new username, refresh your account page to ensure that the change has taken effect. Check your profile and any listings to confirm that your new name is displayed correctly. If the update does not appear immediately, consider logging out of your account and then logging back in. It is also important to inform any buyers if this change impacts your branding. Keeping a record of your previous username may be beneficial in case you need to reference it later. There you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.